Well, we're back at it again. We are in vacuum line hell, literally. So trying to get everything done in here, back to at least looking as factory as I can keep it. Back to even the tape. I still got these two that I got to route yet. I still got more over here. We just finished off the power booster. Ran the line across and over for the vacuum line for here. So we'll follow it around, goes through, over, over. There it is, there it is, there it is. It goes down and over to here. So now I'm just doing the smaller lines, and we still have many, many more to go. I did not realize how bad some of these lines really were. I know it's really bright out, so hopefully you guys will be able to see some of this. I mean, you can see how bad that one is. Just split. That one's starting to split right there. The connections are completely deteriorated. They're just old and dry rotted and nasty. And it happens. I mean, it's an older car, but we still love it. It's actually one of my favorites. I've had quite a few of these cars. They're beautiful. But okay, this one's gonna be kind of a short one because I'm getting ready to go on lunch break. And I still have those to go through, those, that one, those to repair the rest of them that I can get my hands on. And then we'll probably finish off the last of them when it goes up on the lift so we can get everything done for the alignment. But on that note, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we'll keep you updated.